How can we make our children creative? In fact, it all depends on our objectives. What objectives we have set for our children and for our coming generation, right? If our objectives are just to make them, you can say, learners, rote learning, it means that we are doing well. In fact, we deal little children just like we deal the grown ones or elders. In fact, at the early stages, there should be no course contents. First of all, we have to decide the objectives we want to our children creative. We want to make our children skillful. We want to make our children how to deal with the emergencies, how to tackle in the different situation. Of course, for this purpose, we have to change our objectives. First of all, we should remove the heavy burden of books from the minds of the children. At the early stages, we should involve them in different type of activities. You might have observed in some schools, children are taught with the help of different sometime box, sometime type of different pieces of paper and some type of different gadgets in which children are involved. For example, children can be asked to join different pieces and make something. Children can be asked to draw whatever they have in their minds. Children can be asked to say what they observed yesterday. In this way, we cannot bound the minds of the children at early stages. When we provide them heavy books and we make them result oriented and we expect them high marks even at the early stages, parents are very proud of them, proud of to tell the other people that their children have got first position and they have got very excellent marks. Marks games should be removed, first of all, if we want to make our children creative. Because every children has different mind, every children has different thinking. Every children has his own different background and he has his own perception that based on his personal observation, right? In fact, we make our students vocals, we make them expressive, and we cannot make them vocal and expressive if we are binding their minds with the help of heavy books. First of all, books should be removed. They should be involved in different activities and they should be made vocal and expressive, where they can express just what they think, what they feel, and what they observe. Wherever they are wrong, wherever children are never wrong, I tell you one important thing, because they learn from the society, they learn from the homes. Whatever they think, they must be encouraged. Their thinking faculties must be increased and raised. We should not snub them. We should not given a limited environment as in these days in private schools and colleges on the name of commercial just to get heavy dues. We enter the students in narrow humid places. In fact, school for children especially should be vast. There should be vast playground. Children could run as far as they could. Such a particular environment should be provided to the student, especially children. If we are not going them, if we are not going to provide them an ideal environment, they can never be expressive. They can never express what they feel, what they think. The conclusion and their conclusion depends on their observations. Their observations must be encouraged. They should be the center of all activities. Teacher play their role just as a facilitator. Clear ji? I think now you are satisfied.